It's the most important item when visiting Thredbo. It's your My Thredbo card. Yep, this little guy. When you first buy any Thredbo lift, lesson or hire product, you'll also need to grab a My Thredbo card, and once you have it, it's there to ensure your time at the snow is easy, simple and convenient. The My Thredbo card has an RFID chip and is linked to your Thredbo account with all the details about you, the passes and products you've bought. Once you have it, keep it, because it's your personal card and makes your next visit as convenient as possible. It allows you to add new products at any time, which you can do easily on Thredbo's online shop or at any Thredbo guest services office. To avoid the ticket queues, we recommend buying your lift passes, rentals and lessons online before you arrive. And if you purchase a week in advance, you can receive discounts. You can load money onto your My Thredbo card to spend at any Thredbo outlet, which is great for the kids when they want to get themselves a hot chocolate, and great for you too. No need to carry your wallet or cash. So for all your needs in Thredbo, reloading your lift card, renting gear, booking a lesson, even buying food and drink, your My Thredbo card has you covered.